Hey food lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you a really delicious coconut rice recipe. This recipe is really easy to make and is tailored to bring joy to every home. Let's get started. So here are my ingredients. You'll find the measurements in the description below. So it's time to parboil our rice. In goes my rice, and I'm just gonna cook that down for like 5 to 10 minutes, and it's ready. It's ready for rinsing. And now I'm just gonna add in my coconut milk. I love to use that in a can. It has that concentrated coconut flavor. So guys, the preference for this recipe is canned coconut. And in goes my chicken stock. I'll mix well. It's time to season. In goes seasoning cube, salt, thyme, and rosemary, and we'll mix well. We're gonna bring this to a boil. It's boiling. In goes our rice now. Really easy. So guys, this recipe is tailored to bring joy to every home. I have put so much love and care in creating this recipe. And remember, a family that dines together make merry together. So guys, try creating this recipe and spending quality time with your family by sharing a meal. Let's continue to build this strong bond of family life. My family, my everything, my family, my pride. So right now we just created a lot of steam to cook the rice, so we're gonna turn the heat down to the lowest and we'll cover with some parchment paper. We're trying to retain the heat in there, and we're gonna cook for like 5 to 10 minutes, and there's it. So much steam. Right now we're just gonna turn that rice over, the top to the bottom to the top. We want to evenly distribute the steam in there, and you'll have a perfectly cooked rice all the time. Really easy. So I'm gonna put the parchment paper again, and we'll cook for another 15 to 20 minutes on really low heat. I cooked on 1, and it's ready. It's ready guys. Can you see how beautiful and well cooked this rice is? It is amazing guys. You have to try this recipe. It's time to prepare our veggies. In goes my oil, and I love to cut my onion really well, and 1 cup of onion now, and I'm gonna sweat that down for 5 minutes. I cook it for longer guys. It helps to release the beautiful aroma and flavor of onion. So right now I'm just gonna add my ginger and garlic paste and some more oil. So guys, you'll find the measurements in the description below. It's time for our veggies. In goes my carrots. So guys, remember, we're gonna cook our veggies according to the crunch. So the carrots goes in first, and I'm gonna cook that for a minute. And now I'm gonna add in my hot dog, and I'm gonna cook that for another minute. I just want to brown it up. It helps to release the beautiful smoky flavor. And now my green pepper, and we cook that down for 30 seconds. Guys, can you see how frosty looking our veggies are? The onion just coats them with a lot of flavor, and it's really amazing. In goes my last pepper, and I'll cook that down for another 30 seconds. So guys, we're just gonna season with some seasoning cube, and it's ready. It's ready guys. incorporate our rice with the veggies. And that's it, guys. It's ready, guys. Can you see how beautifully gorgeous this veggies and rice look together? It is amazing, guys. Remember, food has the power of bringing family, friends, and people of different race, religion, and socio-economic status together. Why not try this recipe today and bring your family and friends and everyone together? Let's make merry. #food for world peace. Have you subscribed to my channel, guys? Please, guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family. Remember, Bake with Chinny is about easy. I make easy recipes customizable to your kitchen. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.